Welcome back to the Design Studio. It is July, the month of outdoor celebrations and barbecues. This month we're going to take our beautiful bouquet and accent this great serving tray. The inspiration for July's bouquet is the outdoor barbecue and how to make it beautiful and special for all your guests. Chicago is home for me, so we really love those few months of summer. I know you in SoCal, you get a lot of summer, we do not. So I really want to celebrate the outdoor festivities. We're going to start with some Oasis floral foam. You can get this from the department, they'll sell you some. I just have this old serving tray sitting around, so we're going to use this. A couple of plant liners. I have an 8-inch and a 5-inch. Reason being is we're going to want to do 2 floral components within this and some water to soak the foam. First thing we're going to do is cut our foam into the shape we want. We do not want to go above the edge of the tray. We want to keep it below. Go ahead and cut it. And you can see that's right below the tray. How we're going to soak the Oasis, just let it sit there. It'll sink in on itself. We do not want to push it down. We do not want to add water. I know for my monthly viewers, when we do foam, I say the same thing, but it's important to know. Do not push it down. You look how fast it's absorbing. So we want that to go in. Perfect. Do the other one. This design is going to be a pave design, which means we're going to keep the flowers really lush and low to the foam. And you could add a little bit of water to that once we're done before you serve. Add just a little bit of water to the liner, keeps the foam wet and the flowers healthy. Now that we have the foam soaked and it's in our containers, let's start by adding our floral. Our gerbs, we want these to be cut short because we really want to keep it low to the platform. And you could take these straws off, you won't need them. And let's do one on both sides. And do you see how it's just at the edge? Let's take our roses. Again, we're going to cut them short. Keep it right there. We're going to use our biggest flowers first and our green mist. It's all about keeping it paved low to the foam. I'm going to use both of these on this one. You see how it's already, the foam is disappearing on us. Next, our green trick. I hear a lot of people say these are Dr. Seuss balls, they look so unique. These are actually a carnation breed, and I think they're amazing. I love the texture, I love the color, they are beautiful. And our final single stem component is marigolds. Put that right there. And our pops. So a great trick for these, go ahead and break these off. Now that we have them broken off, it's all about the short. Let's put a couple down in here. It's fun, isn't it, to see these things come to life in front of our eyes. This beautiful garden. When we have our guests over, we should always do something special. They're coming into our home, we should make sure it is perfectly done for them. And of course, we always want people leaving thinking to themselves in the car ride home, did you see what they did? Didn't they do such a good job? We all want that. How beautiful is that? And now our solidago. So let's cut the tip off. And we can get 3 pieces out of 1 stem. Do the same thing with the other. Get it off. And these we're just going to put around. They can come out a little bit higher. Gives it some air, gives you a little bit of movement. Share them with both pieces. And our final component is our Rukus that has been color enhanced. We're going to do the same thing we did with the solidago. Cut these down. These are going to be our final fill-ins. We're going to make sure all of our foam is covered. And how fast this was to create this beautiful display. Go ahead and put them all the way around. Put one up. This is one of those easy and most effective displays for your next gathering. Now that we have all the beautiful floral in, we just add some accessories. You have your glasses. But what a stunning display for your next party. Put a bottle there. I hope you enjoyed this month's celebration to the outdoors. Try this at home. Remember to like and subscribe. Please send me photos of what you're doing. I would love to see how you transform our bouquets into fabulous home design.